In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at WordPress themes, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, first go to Demo and select Visit Site from here. So now your site will open and this is how it will look like. Now from WordPress, go to Appearance and select Themes from here. Here you can see all your themes and add new theme from here or from this top Add New button. You can search installed themes from this search bar. Now open one theme from here and you can delete it from this button. Also you can see its live preview on your site and activate it from here as well. So this is how the WordPress themes work. Thank you for watching.